Morning everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Here we have a Jura Compresso ena5. This unit was having leaks near the front of the brew group, and water was filling up in the drip tray a bit too consistently. That's because there was clogging in the group head. So we just took her apart, fixed the clog, and let's run a shot so you can see that there's no more leaking water and the drip tray remains empty. So we're going to grind some coffee. There's pre-infusion. And there's your shot. As you can see, it's really good crema constant stream with no leaking. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for this unit. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thanks.